Crypto affiliate programs are everywhere, promising easy commissions for sharing links. It sounds simple: share, click, earn. For many, it's a ticket into decentralized finance. No need to be a finance expert or coder. You join the movement, spread the word, and earn passive income. The appeal? Low barrier to entry. No fancy degree or big investment needed. All you need is an audience, on a blog, social media, or among friends. Find a platform you trust, sign up for their affiliate program, and start sharing. Commissions can be generous, often a cut of trading fees for life. It's a win-win. Companies get new users, you get rewarded for your influence. The dream is passive income. Content you create today can pay you for months or years. That's why so many are drawn in. It's not just about money, but the lifestyle and freedom it promises. Financial independence, working from anywhere, and building your future on your terms. Crypto affiliate marketing feels like building something meaningful, one click at a time. But is it really that easy? Let's look at what happens when the dream meets reality. You're ready to sign up for a crypto affiliate program, then you hit the country drop-down. Your country isn't listed. Confusion turns to disappointment as you read, "Not available in your country." This is geo-blocking digital borders you can't cross. It's a common frustration in crypto, where companies must follow local laws. Crypto is borderless, but businesses aren't. You can send Bitcoin worldwide, but can't join the affiliate program because of your address. It feels unfair, like being invited to a party, then turned away at the door. Many beginners hit this wall and wonder, why is my country excluded? Is there anything I can do? The dream of passive income suddenly has a big asterisk, but you're not alone. This is a global issue. Meet Alex, a creator from Southeast Asia, passionate about crypto. Alex builds a blog and YouTube channel helping others understand crypto. The audience grows, trust builds, and it feels like a real opportunity. Alex finds the perfect affiliate program, CryptoMax. Excited, Alex applies, uploads ID, and waits. The reply: "We regret to inform you, not available in your jurisdiction." Alex is stunned. The platform is available for trading but not for affiliates. It feels arbitrary and unfair. Creators from other countries earn commissions, but Alex is locked out. This is where the dream collides with global regulations. Alex's story is common. Talented creators sidelined by invisible digital borders. The excitement fades, replaced by frustration. But there are reasons behind these restrictions. Why do companies like CryptoMax block affiliates from certain countries? It comes down to risk and regulation. Crypto companies want global growth, but must navigate complex international laws. In some countries, sharing an affiliate link could be seen as unlicensed financial promotion, leading to legal trouble. To avoid risk, companies block entire countries rather than risk fines. Fraud and security are also concerns. Geo-blocking helps manage these risks. It's about protecting the company and its users. Running a global affiliate program requires legal teams, compliance officers, and complex payment systems. Many companies focus on a few key markets where rules are clear. Expanding globally is slow and careful. The result: legitimate creators like Alex are blocked. It's not personal, it's business strategy and survival. But what can you do if you're blocked? Being blocked isn't the end of your affiliate journey. Don't give up, get smarter. Always check terms and restricted countries before applying. If blocked, look for global-friendly or decentralized platforms. Search for crypto affiliate programs with no country restrictions. Consider promoting non-custodial wallets, hardware wallets, or educational resources. These often have fewer restrictions. Hardware wallet affiliate programs are usually open globally. Stay in the crypto space and provide value without regulatory headaches. Diversify your income, build your brand, create great content, and explore other revenue streams like ads, sponsorships, or digital products. Don't rely on one affiliate program. Build resilience and multiple paths to success. The crypto world is big. There's a place for you. Adapt and keep moving forward. The digital world was meant to be borderless, but crypto affiliate programs still have barriers. The industry is young. Regulations are evolving. As crypto goes mainstream, clearer rules may open more doors. Companies are cautious now, but legal clarity could mean more global opportunities. Decentralized affiliate protocols are emerging, built on blockchain and open to all. These systems use smart contracts, not company policies, reducing geographic barriers. The technology is early, but the potential is huge. For affiliates like Alex, patience and persistence are key. Keep learning, building your audience, and providing value. The skills you gain now are valuable. no matter what happens with affiliate programs. Today's barriers aren't permanent. The push for a global open financial system is strong. The future could be truly borderless, so stay ready.